So from your split op, turn to your wheel plane. Raise one hand up and one hand staying at the bottom. So you'll notice where they're going to anti-spin is both going to be in that center point in front of you. So the top hand is going to anti-spin and come down, and then just extend right back up. So anti-spin center, back down, anti-spin, extension up. And the opposite hand will be coming from the bottom, so it's going to anti-spin to the middle, and then to the top, and extension down. So then together, you have your cat pattern. Your anti-spin versus your extension. So basic drills with just one hand. So I'm starting with the top, so it's going to anti-spin center, anti-spin to the bottom, extend back to the top. And just practice that. And then switch hands. So I'm going to anti-spin the center from the bottom, and then anti-spin to the top, and extend back down, anti-spin, back down. And then work on connecting those two, and work on just hitting that extension point and then dropping. Get that feel for where they meet in that middle, and then you can progressively get into your extensions, progressively get into your finish anti-spins, and then continuous with your extensions to complete the pattern. And you also have, with your hands together doing those cat patterns, looks like this. And what's happening is still split op. So starting with my bottom point, the orange club is going to anti-spin to the center, while the white just extends up, and then the orange is going to finish out its anti-spin as the white extends up together. And then they'll reverse roles. White anti-spins down as the orange extends. So orange anti-spins, white anti-spins. White extension, orange extension. So they're just switching roles as they go from top and bottom. There's a nice transition between the two. Right here, this anti-spin in the center. Because your hands meet there, so you can continue and keep them together, or you can break them apart at that center point and go back into your other cat pattern.